It's snowing! The Great Welsh Blizzard of 2025. I do like the snow. I don't like being out in it because I tend to slip. And when a man of my girth slips, we're breaking bones, ladies and gentlemen. But it kind of looks nice, doesn't it? It looks quite pretty. It looks like rain, actually. It's not really snow. It's more like ice. It's like it's too cold. It's like the snow is freezing as it's dropping down from heaven, wherever it comes from. I know it comes from clouds. All right, get off my case. Yeah, so I've basically wanted to record the snow. Because I honestly think this is all we're going to see of it. It'll go now in the morning. Do you know when they say, oh, it's too wet? It's too wet for it to settle. But everything looks cool in the snow because everything is all white. Oh man. Can we cross? I think we can. But it is nice. It does look... It's interesting. This is just a little bit different, isn't it? Different from the norm. Walking in the snow. We're walking in the snow. That looks like it's settled. But it's not. It's because it's wet. Anyway. Snowing! YouTube now lets you upload 3-minute shorts, ladies and gents. And it's something I thought I would do. I'll stop uploading longer shorts. Just short in general. So now that side looks shit. But that kind of looks alright. Damn you, snow, you look shit! Ah, now that's much more of an artistic shot. I'm happy with that. Thumbnail, probably, of this little short that I'm putting on Newport. Anyway, hope you're all good, hope you're all safe. Hope everyone's having a good day. Much love from your favourite Welsh spud.